Thinking of updating your home? Not all updates are created equal. Some can actually cost more than they'll ever add in value. Here are 5 home updates to avoid and the top 5 that will improve your home's value. Let me start by saying I'm not suggesting you remodel or do significant upgrades. I'm offering suggestions from my personal experience with updating homes. These are cost-effective and most are DIY. Depending on your local real estate market and the cost of goods, your return on investment could vary. As I'll explain in a few minutes, value doesn't always have to mean monetary value. The first avoid is custom paint colors or bold color selections. Pink has its place, but will it appeal to the masses? Probably not. But the flip side of improvement is paint using neutral colors. Of course, painting walls and ceilings freshen up an entire room. By using neutral colors, you will appeal to the crowds. Have you ever thought of painting your kitchen cabinets, bathroom vanities, or even your built-ins? A few years ago, we painted our builder-grade oak cabinets white, and what a huge difference it made in our kitchen. I'll show you what it looked like and what paint we used for our kitchen cabinets and our oak trim later in this video. Fireplaces can look totally transformed when they've been painted, whitewashed, or lime washed. Do you know they make paint for countertops and floor tiles too? They sure do. I might leave this high epoxy paint project to the pros though, but I'm sure that painting tile or countertops is much less expensive than replacing. If you have a project to paint, there's likely a paint for that project. My number 2 avoid is doing anything that qualifies as ultra custom. I'm using my showstopper chandelier example. You found one that you love, lots of bling, it's over the top. It doesn't match the style of your house. And are you the only one that loves it? Just keep in mind that buyers are not going to pay premium dollar because your house has the amazing chandelier. Guess what? Chances are they don't even like it. Now don't get offended. I've been here too. I purchased a light fixture for our dining area that I loved. And all I could get out of my husband was, well, if you like it, I like it. That should have been my first clue, right? Well, a few weeks later, we hosted a family dinner. And the first thing my sister-in-law said was, who picked out that light fixture? Uh-oh, me. The flip side of this is don't choose custom chandeliers, but do change out the light fixtures. Light fixtures and lighting will set the ambience of a room. And while you're at it, change the outlets and switch plates from that dingy cream to match your freshly painted walls. Both light fixtures and switches and outlets are super easy and affordable DIY projects. Here's my bonus tip. Update that analog thermostat with a digital programmable thermostat while you're at it too. My next avoid is replacing carpet with carpet. Carpet holds dust and other allergens. Carpet can also retain moisture. It's difficult to clean and captures stains and odors in homes with pets and kids. Versus improve the flooring with a hard surface, maybe luxury vinyl tile. Most LVT is affordable, durable, environmentally friendly, versatile, and overall easy care, easy install flooring. Can't say that about carpet. By the way, have you looked underneath your existing carpet for hardwood floor? Pull out a register cover from a carpeted area. You should be able to see what's underneath the carpet and the padding. Now, you can never bank on the condition of the flooring, but by removing the carpet, you can certainly apply some elbow grease and make those hardwood floors appealing again. The next avoid is high-end landscaping and exterior fixtures. Intricate gardens, water features, or outside kitchens are highly customizable, and what you like doesn't always transfer to what others like. But on the flip side, exterior improvements would be affordable DIY, landscaping and exterior updates. Fresh mulch, some inexpensive colorful flowers will brighten up any bed. Power wash the exterior of your home and the gutters. Scrape and paint any areas of peeling paint. Paint to replace faded shutters and paint the front door. My last avoid would be expensive remodels, like kitchens or baths. In times of a slower market or in areas with moderate home values, These upgrades might not significantly increase your home's value. But for the last improvement, I'm going to suggest that you spend some time to declutter and organize your home. While organizing and decluttering might not directly provide monetary value, it plays a crucial role in creating a positive first impression. A well-organized, clutter-free space helps potential buyers see themselves living in the home, which can lead to quicker offers and less time on the market. It also makes your home look well-maintained and helps maximize its overall appeal. Time well spent is valuable in my book. Remember some of the golden suggestions I've shared about real estate. Don't overspend for your neighborhood. Don't have the nicest home in the neighborhood. And if you will be selling in the near future, stay neutral and make decisions that will appeal to the masses. If you plan to stay in your house for a while, my best advice is to enjoy it and live in it. I made our flooring choices and painted the kitchen cabinets thinking we were going to sell. See the before and after in my kitchen as the work was being done. What a difference, right? Well, 12 years later and counting, we are still enjoying living in this home.